to make our life more happier, that is to accept the reality of life. I think this is the most important thing. The reality of life is not only the happiness, right? In our lives, you want happiness, but not we facing every day, experience every day, not only the happiness, right? What you face it, what you experience it, happy and unhappy, right? It's both things that always happen. Good and bad is happen. It's not always good thing happen in our mind. It's also the bad thing happen in our mind, right? So just not only accept the good thing that happen in our mind. The bad thing also you have to accept it. So accepting the reality. What is the reality? That is something that happen in our life, both. That is the good thing and the bad thing. But most of the people always enjoy the good thing, right? Except only the good thing that happen. But when you face the bad thing, oh, you feel like painful, you feel disappointed, you feel unhappy. Because you don't accept the reality of life.